In this video, I'm going to show you how I made a 4-on, 4-off schedule for a year. The schedule starts on May 1st, but you can change it to be any date. So let's click in the cell that says May 1st and let's change it to June 1st. And then I'm going to press enter. And then all of the numbers continue on from June 1st. Now, when I go into the cell C3 here, it says whatever A3 is what C3 is. And so now when I go into D3, then basically it's saying add 1 to C3, and then it continues on like that for the rest of the year. And so basically this schedule repeats every 8 rows. So employee 1 and employee 9 are having the same schedule. And so this schedule is set up for 24 employees. So basically it's 3 runs of each. And so now let me show you the code, how I did it. And so my schedule is called 12-hour, and I've declared row, R is row, C is column, and they're both long, and I've declared count. Now, I have done it for a 2-week period approximately, and then I've repeated it 23 times. So for the first thing I've done is this is a for loop, and this is going for row 4 to 27, and that will cover all of my my 24 employees. Now, for example, if it's row 4 or row 12 or row 20, remember I was saying it repeats every 8. And so the active cell, it selects the first active cell, and then while it's do while count is less than or equal to 23. And so I'm saying ActiveCell.Offset value is D, so it starts with 2 Ds. And then after that, the range offset 2 to 5 is the off. And then range ActiveCell 6 to 9 is the nights. And then once again, 10 to 13 is the off, and range 14 and 15 is the day, so that we make the add up to the 4 that we need for this one. And now after we go to there, we go to range 16, and we're selecting that one. That becomes our active cell, and then it goes through again. So that is the loop, and basically it's repeated for each one, for each row, so that they get them staggered. I will, of course, include all of the code in the description of my video. Please subscribe.